Here's a new way to get traffic from Reddit. Now, we all know the power of Reddit. I mean, it gets over 1 billion visits every month. I mean, have a look at this. So in SimilarWeb, you can see that it gets 1.5 billion visits every single month consistently. So that means it is the perfect source of traffic no matter what your niche is. I mean, look at this. Traffic by countries, we've got the United States at 50%. That is huge. Followed by the UK with 7%, then Canada, Australia, and Germany. This is epic. Traffic sources, 51% direct and 44% from search engines. So that means when you post to Reddit, your content will be ranked and indexed by Google and other powerful search engines. So that is going to send even more traffic to your website because, as you probably already know, if you search for a particular topic, there is a high probability that Reddit will be on the front page of Google. So it makes perfect sense to put your content there too. And Reddit has so much authority, it makes it relatively easy to get your stuff ranked on the front page. But let me show you today's platform that we're going to use. This is going to make Reddit so much more powerful than it already is. This is a website called Delay for Reddit. The URL is delayforreddit.com and the website looks like this. So it says it is a Reddit poster scheduler. Now it is so much more than that. I'm going to show you a way to use this tool to not only schedule posts in advance, so that will automate traffic generation for you, so you can set it up in advance and then just let it run on autopilot. But I'm also going to show you how to find new opportunities and the best time to post that content on Reddit so you get the maximum amount of traffic to your websites. This site is phenomenal. It says it's an easy to use tool to target subreddits, optimize post timing, and schedule your posts to reach more Redditors. Try it now for free. So I'm not affiliated with this website. It is genuinely just a really good tool that I believe is going to benefit you and your digital marketing efforts. So let's check out the pricing because this is free to use. Of course, they have premium options available. They would be silly not to offer that. But as you can see, it's pretty reasonably priced. So the free option is going to give you 1 post per week and multiple Reddit account support. So this is really handy. So maybe you have multiple Reddit accounts and you want to post across those too, then this is going to allow you to do that very easily. So what I suggest you do is try it out, give it a go, see what you think. If you find it's working for you, then maybe think about upgrading and supporting the developer of this. I've literally just found this a few hours ago. I was blown away by how powerful it is and I thought I have to share it with the Profit Copilot audience. Go ahead, create a free account. So you just click that big red button, try it now, free, click that, and then it's going to sync up your Reddit account. So obviously you need a Reddit account to make this work. What it's going to do is use the Reddit API. Sounds a bit complicated, I know, but it's an essential step. So you just have to click that to allow it to access your Reddit account. But don't worry, it will not be able to access your password. When you've done that, it will then take you to this dashboard. So this is where you can schedule posts. But I think it's jumping the gun a little bit. What we need to do is a little bit of discovery to find the right subreddits for you, because we want to make sure that our efforts generate maximum results, right? So if we go to tools here, click that, we're going to get this drop down menu. We can go to analysis, discover, or scheduler. I want you to go to discover first. Now here you can type in a few keywords that are relevant to your niche and they're going to bring back some interesting results for you. So let's say I'm interested in affiliate marketing. So I'm going to type in affiliate marketing there. We can add more keywords if we want to, and it says that it can take up to 30 seconds to run this. So if it takes a little bit of time, when you use this, don't worry about that. So I'm going to type in affiliate marketing there, and then I'm going to hit discover. Now it's going to generate a list of subreddits for me that I might be interested in. There we can see that it's brought back a total of 11 subreddits that might be relevant to affiliate marketing. Now, this is really interesting because I would initially just think that the affiliate marketing subreddit is the place to go if I want to promote offers and that kind of thing, but not so. This has actually showed me a whole heap of other relevant subreddits that will be of interest to me. So Just Start, Entrepreneur, Marketing, SEO, Digital Nomad, and there you can see that the type of posts they accept, that's going to be very beneficial to you. And then subscribers, the subscriber count here. So here we can see that Just Start has 57,000 subscribers, whereas Digital Nomad has over 700,000. It also shows you the number of relevant posts in each subreddit and then the score assigned to each. So if we click on this, let's go with the first one. So Just Start, if we click that, it's going to take us to the analysis section. So this is called subreddit traffic analysis. It says this tool looks deep into a subreddit's history to identify the best time of the week to submit. It's tuned to give your post the best opportunity to get upvotes and become a top post. What happens when you become a top post on Reddit is you will get the lion's share of traffic for that day. So that's worked out really well. It's brought back a whole heap of data for us to analyze, and we now know the best time to post on Reddit. So this is color coded. If we have a look at the bottom here, so here at white almost we have 0. Right over here at a kind of darker blue we have 20. So let's say we start midnight on a Sunday night. There you can see only 4 posts have achieved that top position that has been submitted on a Sunday night at 12 o'clock. However, if we go to the darkest blue, which is here, we can see that 16 posts submitted on a Friday night at 6 o'clock have achieved that top position. So this tells you if you were going to post in this subreddit, the optimum time for you to get good results is going to be at 6 o'clock on a Friday night. We've also got Saturday at 12 o'clock is going to get some good results too. And we can also see that Monday at 4 o'clock tends to do pretty well as well. So take the time to explore this for your chosen subreddits, and it's going to tell you exactly when to post your content on Reddit. Then you can go to the scheduler tool and you can start scheduling posts for those specific times. So you can almost guarantee better results and more traffic as a result. Now to schedule posts, we click the big green button there that says schedule post. It's going to bring back this pop-up window. It's going to ask us to add a title. Now when it comes to writing titles for subreddits, I would encourage you to avoid using clickbaity type headlines. Instead, think about the big benefit, be real and be completely honest with your headline on Reddit. We don't want to trick people into clicking or engaging in the content. Honesty is always your best policy on Reddit. Now, while they do allow self-promotion to an extent, they have got a very low tolerance for BS and hype and clickbaity type headlines, so avoid using those. Instead, think about the big benefit. Think about the emotional triggers that you could use. How do you want people to feel when they consume your content? If you can bring that into your headline as well, you should see better results. Then you put in the link to your content there. So that can be a link to your website or wherever. Put in the subreddit here and then schedule the day and the time that you want to post. Here you can add flair. This is just a little label that helps the community understand in a bit more detail what your post is about. And there you have an option to cross-post to other subreddits as well. Now we can do more things with this. So that's a link type post. You can add a text post if you want to, using it in exactly the same way. Or you can add a link with comment as well. So that could be a very powerful way to get traffic, because here you're not just adding a link, but you are adding a commentary to it as well. So you're going to give people a reason to click that link. And there we have the image format to upload as well. So if we just want to schedule images or quotes, memes, that kind of thing, you can do that very easily there as well. Now, this is just one way to drive traffic to your website. If you want the traffic methods that I never share on YouTube, I'm going to give them to you for free when you go to profitcopilot.com/traffic. That is completely free. It will not cost you a penny. And if you found this useful, give it a thumbs up below, subscribe to the channel too, and hit that little notification bell so you never miss an update from me. And I will hopefully see you again in a couple of days' time. Take care.